What's up, guys? Like, I just got up. This is the view in the morning. I just got up. Right now it's like, I don't even know. Oh, crap. So apparently it was raining and stuff. I hope my lens doesn't fog up or anything like that, because the AC was on and the warm air outside might change the temperature in here a little bit. So, but I'm up. My agenda right now is to go and get some breakfast. I think breakfast ends at 10 and it's like 9. It's now like 10 minutes after 9. So I'm gonna do that and see what the plans are for today. Honestly, feel like I don't want to go river rafting today. I swear. This has been raining, and my intention was to wake up from like 6 a.m. this morning to catch a sunset and whatever. Sunrise, sorry. But like, I was like, yo, I'm here to really recuperate, get some rest and stuff. So I just woke up at 9. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I'll take you guys and show you what's there. Hopefully food is there. Yeah guys, so I'm just done here, so I have some, what do you call it, breakfast. I'm having coffee, orange juice, and salt mackerel with rice. No, that's not mackerel, salt mackerel with dumpling. And I'm waiting for that right now. I'm bored, I'm tired. Fortunately, I'm not hungry at all. Kinda awkward to have people in here. I don't want to keep going with the vlogging. So I'm back inside my room, guys, obviously. What did I think about the breakfast? For me it's pretty basic. Thinking about it, this is not like a luxury hotel or anything like that. I think they opened like 3 years ago, or rebranded like 2 years ago, or whatever, you know. I ate it though. I ate the dumplings, the fried green plantains, and most of the what you call it, the mackerel. And I can't complain. I think for a bed and breakfast, it's adequate. Plans the rest of the day. I don't think I want to go river rafting again. I just not really feel the vibe. I just want to relax. So what I'm gonna do is clean up my room. Because if you look, it's a bit embarrassing. But like, you see, I have stuff all over. Most of the stuff like for vlogging. Bed. There's a clothes thrown everywhere. So I'm gonna clean up my room really quickly, and then I will take a dip in the water, and then maybe relax a little bit on the down there where I was yesterday. It's now 10 minutes after 10, so I have 1 hour and 50 minutes before I have to leave this place. Aww. A lot more neater. I mean, organized mess, because I know exactly, like for example over there, that's the stuff I'm gonna use to get ready and leave. laptop should be in my bag. I keep out like the tripod, my wallet and such. And pretty much over here is the same thing. These stuff I got put on to leave. The bag is mostly packed. Because I have to keep out some stuff for if I go video anything down there. But yeah, pretty much. Normally I check everything in the room. Like for example, like under the bed. You know, I check under the bed really quick to make sure that nothing not under there. Easily. Of course, your sockets, check those if you might have used them. For me, I only used one, which was over here. But I took out the charger. What I did to remember that, I put my camera like right there this morning and there. So like once I set the camera over there, I was like, yo, Jano, the battery must be charged. Because you don't really leave those stuff. And the bathroom I never really use in here as often or as much anyway, so nothing in here for me. There's nothing in here from my personal belongings, so yeah. This is my bathroom bag anyway. So like all my stuff in there, my lotion that I made in New York. And yeah, oh, the only thing that I might leave is the food, the pasta. And hopefully I don't. I'll do a quick one too before I leave. And the weather is a little bit on and off. Right now it's sunny, a little bit. Some people are swimming. It's a little bit sunny right now. That's good. So, me, I'm gonna pretty much try to get a quick dip, lay out for a little bit, and then come up, get a quick wash off, and then head on the road, isn't it? And the sun is gone out again. It's pretty gloomy. People always say like whenever water gets on the GoPro you should lick it. I think that worked, I don't know. That's so weird. Sorry guys. I guess the lick action did work because I don't know. Somebody's jet skiing. Well, not jet ski, but water skiing. I know you guys won't be able to see that up close because I can't zoom with this. But no, oh, he fell off. Like I seriously wonder how people like go surfing with sharks in the water. Like right in all the water. Like I can see, but like I'm a little bit iffy. I don't know sharks are not in the Caribbean like that. There goes a Sandals tour boat. I kid you not, I don't know if that tongue lick thing works, but I don't see the water on it like before. Try again. Now the sun is back out a little bit more. Right, I think I'll go come out to the water now. Come on, this water. Lay out for a few seconds and then go up and start getting ready. So guys, I'm now back in my room and I can't lie, like honestly, I feel so sad. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I just feel the pressure that come on because I know I'm have to go leave in a few minutes. It's 11:10 now, so I have like 50 minutes and I feel really sad. That's why I kind of hate coming to these places sometimes. I know I'll go back, you know, it's stress. And there's more people here now, actually. By the bar. Yeah. A lot more people. But anyway, I'm gonna take a quick shower, check out. When I came here before I drove Fern Gully way, now I'm gonna take the highway, take a slow little drive, using me go and meditate and then hopefully get home safely without any tickets and is me. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done packing with like 10 minutes to spare. I try to leave the place as neat as possible. Put the towels in a nice little order in the bathroom. Always, is me. I didn't really use much, but it was like that. Had the garbage out, not that garbage needs to be changed. Open back this. Normally in the hotels they always leave like doors and stuff open. No, just to make it a little bit simpler for them. Yeah, but I'll go get ready now. I don't know if I might video before I leave, but I'm heading out right now, guys. So hopefully I reach in safe. Guys, like I really wish I had one of those newer cars where I could just turn it on from before and tell the car to flick on the AC. Or I think my friend Matty has this switch alarm thing I can turn on him car from before. So I think I need that because when I come my car it's like hot. Do you know? But anyway, I just left and stuff, checked out, and they're asking if I was a videographer, so I told them I do vlogging, and they're like, yo, tag me on the video. So I definitely will do that. About to head out now. Right now I'm using the Canon G7X because honestly it's really good to have like two cameras, because this camera, it performs a lot better in low light situations. The other one is good, but this one performs way better. And because I'm driving solo, it's good to have this camera where I can pick it up easily and whatever. Because when I was coming, I was trying to get a few shots in, but I could not because it was still in the case, and I was trying to reach over, and I was like, you know what, screw this. Not for YouTube. Then I got drive and now focus for YouTube. So yeah, I go keep it out of the case so it's easier. What I like is a point and shoot, so I can pick it up, press the on button, and start videoing. My other camera, you have to flip that little switch, unlock the zoom possibly, you see me, and it's so much heavier and bigger, so I couldn't even get the scenery. But I'm traveling back on the same route that I've been before, which is the Ochi toll. You guys saw that. I don't have to video that again, so you guys will see when I'm at home, or if I make a stop or anything like that. Alright guys. So right now with the pretty much in Portmore, I'll go link on my friend them really quick. But it never take long, it's probably like 50 minutes on the highway. You know, you have to kind of slow down on the, you see me, on the corners and stuff because of police and stuff. But the highway really quick, some nice view on it, I swear. Love the highway. But I also like the country run, like you get more scenery, like, you know, you can see more Jamaica and stuff, Fern Gully. Driving over flat bridge, most persons are so afraid of flat bridge, but yeah. But anyway, we're in a Portmore. Pastor, get ready for your gym. Pastor, get ready for your gym.
Nah, but didn't know he have to sit in and man, so
you say he knows say I gotta work over there and get crunk. You come on, and look for anybody now, guys, because you see when come to Dream Weekend. Jesus! Dream or die. So guys, like, we just got done shooting like our very first video, like our first short skit. Like, I really hope you guys like it. Like, it was cool. And I had Fiona here on the camera, like a producer. Yeah, she was helping me with the camera work and stuff. We have the lights up and whatever. And trust me, it was really hard in the beginning because like I was like, yo, this don't sound good. And like she really helped me with it, you know, to get like the things. Yeah, to get it on spot on and stuff. And I liked it. I don't know, but you guys, I hope you guys check out this short scale. I'll put it at the end of the video, and it's gonna be on my main channel, guys. Yo, go over there, give it some like and support. Yo, love you guys. That was corny. This is a scene where like Fiona's supposed to like whip me. Come, let's do this. Like, not hard. I bet she's gonna love this. Jesus.